Okay, you give me a fortune cookie?
No.
Oh. Can you read me the fortune? Yeah, can you read it to me?
I did that.
What is it? What does it say? Open it up. Tell me what it says.
Your fortune.
What does the fortune say? What does it say?
We read it.
Silver puppies, numbers, the okay?
Okay.
Mommy.
Okay. Is that yummy?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Oh.
Is that our rice? Is that my rice, Mommy?
That's the noodles.
No, it's new.
Where's the rice?